The Arvok 15 to 15.6 inch laptop sleeve is a reliable accessory that seamlessly blends style, protection, and functionality. As a prominent brand known for its commitment to quality, Arvok has once again delivered a product that stands out in the market. The design of this laptop sleeve is sleek and minimalist, offering a professional and elegant look. Its slim profile makes it easy to slip into a backpack or carry on its own. The high-quality neoprene material used in its construction not only adds a touch of luxury but also provides excellent protection against scratches, bumps, and minor impacts. The soft interior lining ensures your laptop stays scratch-free. In terms of performance, the Arvok Laptop Sleeve excels in providing a snug fit for laptops ranging from 15 to 15.6 inches. It features a top-loading zipper that allows for quick and convenient access to your device. The sleeve's precise stitching and reinforced corners enhance its durability, ensuring it can withstand daily use. In conclusion, the Arvok 15 to 15.6 inch laptop sleeve is a top-notch accessory for anyone seeking a blend of style and protection for their laptop. With its exceptional design, reliable performance, and reasonable price, it's a wise investment for safeguarding your valuable device. Arvok continues to impress with their dedication to quality, making this laptop sleeve a recommended choice for users on the go. Best features of this item: supports laptop of up to 15.6 inch size. Rated internal dimensions of 15.5 inch by 11 inch by 1.2 inch. Rated external dimensions of 16.22 inch by 12.01 inch by 1.98 inch. Offers a black color on the outside. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Pros of this item: extremely budget-friendly and entry-level laptop sleeve. Great for using with large-sized laptops. Decent warranty period despite an entry-level price. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.